Hi guys, welcome to Hua Hi Vlog. Today we're going to play some Minecraft. Sa mga hindi ay, alam na glao na to. Okay. Our challenge today, kung makatapak ako sa color na ito ay, sa color to. Kung matatapakan ko ang color na red, or mahawakan ko, ay ma-out na ko. Ay hindi mag-subscribe, ay pangit. So yan, today, our goal is we're going to find some emerald. Diba? Let's find some village fairs. Oh, village. I have a village. Okay, we're going to find some emerald. Kajan. Okay, we're going to find. Wala naman dito. Baka meron dito guys, no? Wala. Dito. Wala. Let's find. Here. Bakit ito dark dito guys? Oh, my chest. Oh, we got some emerald. Got emerald from the and let's go for the village na ito. Tara guys, tara. Oh, where's the pwede na dito. Oh, meron nga guys. Wala naman dito. Wala naman. Bro, the emerald. Let's find the emerald. Let's find some emerald, guys. Where he put? Guys, nagugutom na ako. Laga dito chicken. Kang tumakbo, boy. Oh, finally. Eat some. Oh, makakalason. Oh my god. Nakita ko ng makakalason guys dito. Okay, finally. Meron sana. Oh, emerald. An emerald. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.